Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I wanted to do a little flip through of my pocket planner, my TN, and this is my baby, and I am so excited to change her up though because I feel like I've been looking at this Roses kit for forever, and it's super cute for Valentine's Day, but I'm kind of like, I mean, whenever you're doing stickers and you're designing stuff like for your June mystery, Valentine's Day is long gone, and that's the only downside I think of like having like to do things so far in advance is like I've been looking at this art for forever. I actually was going to use this sticker kit in my planner, but I was just like, no, I can't look at it anymore. So this is a number 2 from Foxy Fix, or a pocket TN, and it is in the Lush Ballerina leather. They actually did restock this leather like 4 days ago. I did place an order for a couple things in it, but you can pick this up if you want to. You couldn't before. I got this on a buy sell trade on Facebook. So this one has the gray stitching with a gray elastic. I think it's a really cute combo. And then I have on the front a little keychain charm. This is a keychain from Simply Gilded that I just, when I just restrung this, like took it out and then put this on and put it back and tied it, and I thought it turned out really, really cute and adorable and super fun. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to try to make this like pretty fast because I already did a video of me setting up this planner. It isn't this exact planner, but I switched it out, and I'm actually going to be using, I think, my Lush Snow for my birthday / spring spread, and I'm going to be setting that up, I think, next week. So next week or the week after? No, next week. So definitely expect that soon. I'm not going to do like a setup video quite yet because I don't think I'm like that good at it, but I will do like a video of like how it looks in the beginning and how it looks at the end if you guys still want to see it. I think it's cool to see how it looks at the end, especially like because this looks completely different in my opinion. There's a lot of stuff that's new. So let's start over here. So I do have the little card pocket. I think this pocket here comes standard. Back here I have some acetate. Let me just zoom in just a smidge more. So it's some acetate I got from Michael's, and it's rose gold on one side, and then on the other side it is regular gold. And then I just have the little Scribbler Valentine's Day sampler here. I was actually looking for this. I knew I brought it home, and I was like, where is it? Then there was some bow acetate from the Planner Society, and I had cut it up to use. I don't know if it's in here actually. Yeah, it's in the back, but I didn't end up using it, so, I had scraps, so I thought it looked cute just having like this here, because then it looked like there's just like a little floating bow. I have a little emoji holding a little box of chocolates or a heart present with a Kate Spade gold bow clip on top of it. I have a little bow here from Amazon. I think I showed this on a haul on how I did this. These are just like little, my last haul, little, they're, I think for like 14 of them, it's like $9 bows, and then I just put on like a regular paper clip, super easy, and it had lots of options with like glitter and stuff. This is from Happy Dea, and I just stuck it in here because I thought it was really cute and kind of festive. And then there is the macaron die cut sticker there that I just have so cutely laid out. One thing, if you guys like need something to do with your stickers, I put mine on my laptop. I'm trying to pick like one from like every collection or like something like that. I have a bunch that I want to put on there. And there's gonna be a lot coming to the shop, so if you don't know what to do with them, decorate other things with them. I think they're super cute. So then I have my first little dashboard here. All my dashboards are from the Foxy Fix. I have a rose gold A from Rose Colored Days, and then I have one of the Scribbler girls. These are still in the shop if you want to pick them up. They're die cut stickers, same as like these. And then you have the paper in the background. This is my favorite paper. It starts and ends with that paper, so it's super cute. Then whenever you open it up, I do have one of the sticker sheets here with a rose die cut, and then I have a piece of acetate. This is whenever I was trying acetate out. I don't like this one. I think I figured it out for the next TN kit, but it won't be this acetate. And then I have the tab up top with a Planner Society gold tab. I know she does these, I think, like every other, it seems like. I'm not subscribed anymore, but it seems like every other there was like foiled ones, and then the other ones were like just black. But you can get similar kind of tabs from Rose Colored Days. I wish she would come out with like more font Rose Colored Days, because hers is like really skinny, and it like you can kind of lose it in the background a little, so I wish it was a little bit bolder, so that's why I kind of like the Planner Society ones. And I have it held on by Simply Gilded Washi. So what I did, and I don't know if anybody else has done this, I thought I was like genius, but probably somebody else has done this, is instead of putting the tab on the actual page, I put it on the front and then clip. I mean, people do put it on the front, but but I like clipped it together. So it's still, whenever I take the tab, it still opens it up because it's clipped, if that makes any sense. So this was my So Much Crafting insert. This is the month on 2 page, and I just use this for pre-planning. I didn't really need to write a lot in here because I have my regular insert. So this is more for like in here. I accidentally put some winter stuff in here, but that's fine. And then I have a peach plum up here, which is the white heart, which I feel like matches so many things. Then that acetate's on the back, and then I have this little picture Polaroid of Nick and Bennett with a little sticker over top of it. I don't remember what the brand of this sticker is, but if you guys want to know, just let me know in the comments down below. The little love die cut there. The big bouquet, which is what's on my laptop, and then the Scribbler girl down here. Then I have that acetate that's on the front that has the polka dots in the foil, and like I said, the gold on the back. A sequin heart from Michaels, and then these little clips I think were from like Target or something. Same deal here with the tabs, and then I do have the like the week on 2 days that you can put the Erin Condren stickers in. I don't have any purpose for this area over here, so I just kind of put little stickers on the side. So this just has all of my plans in it that I use for plan with me's and writing things down in advance. So in the back I just have acetate. I don't have a dashboard on this one. That will change next time. I do have another piece of vellum here. I think I've been saying them right. If I haven't, I know what they are. I just can't get the words right. I don't remember who this is from. I don't remember. It was in a haul though, I think. So I have a piece of vellum here that I made, and it's bow vellum, and it has foil on it. It didn't turn out really well. This is like one of the first things I foiled, and it's in rose gold, I think. And then I have a here from Michaels, which is so pretty. I'm gonna try and undo this off actually. Or actually I'll be able to just peel it off and use it later. I'm gonna try and save all my setups in like little cello bags, and then like if I remember like, oh, I want that A that I used in my roses kit, I can just go back and like pull it off. Yeah, that should be able to pull off. I might use some undo just to like make it on its way. And then this is a 1407 planners insert, and it's just a custom lister, and this is like my Houston packing list for when I go to Houston in a week or two. I think it's in 2 weeks. And then I made this Louis bow from their like holiday ribbon. I think they're still using this ribbon though, but I just took a little tiny bit. Jessica actually stole the rest of it and used it as like a hair ribbon, but I took a little bit and made myself a little bow out of it. Then on the back I have that same acetate, and then I did actually stick one of the vinyl stickers. This is a custom couple. Well, it's actually not a custom couple. It's just like one of her Fox and Cactus's printable couple stickers. I didn't need a custom one. I just really like Daisy and her little man, so that works. Then I have this Kittenish Plans girl. She kind of was behind the macaron before, but I like had pulled her out, but I'm gonna put her I think on my laptop. I just love her. I think she's so pretty, and I love her outfit, her style, her shoes. And then I have another one of those little bows down here and another macaron against this really pretty simple paper. And then I have on the back here a Happy Day a little camera with the little Scribbler girl here. And then this is from, I think, So Much Crafting, isn't it? Yeah, because I don't think there's no like branding on it. And this is a grid, and I use this for work stuff mainly. And then I think the person who I bought this tan from, or a different tan, put some like random like cute little like stuff in there. And it was one of the like little things was this little palm clip, and I thought it matched perfectly, so I put that in there. So thank you very much. And then this is like my little Jessica section. So this is me and Jessica, obviously, and then this is also me and Jessica, Bingo and Rolly. I am, is this Bingo? I'm pretty sure I'm Bingo, and then that's Jessica's Rolly. And then on the back I have this whimsical cat die cut of this custom, like not custom couple, but a little couple here. And then on the little back area I have my Aspen gold, I don't remember if that's, I think it's the signature, Aspen signature pen gem. And then I have another one of those Amazon hair bows. This one's a little bit different. I didn't link this one down below on that one, but it is actually like attached. So I used it back here to keep this little dog in place, and I have another little piece of that vellum just because. Then I have that bigger piece of the bow acetate here. Oh, that's acetate, I'm sorry. And then a picture of Nick and Bennett. I think I'm in that picture too, I'm not sure. And then also I do have a little coupon code back here, and then with the little freebie from Happy Day as well, just because I thought it looked really cute peeking out of there. So that is everything for my planner. I think she is so pretty and so beautiful, and I can't wait to set her up for birthday. My birthday theme slash like spring, I guess, But like I said, I'm probably going to use my Snow, so I'm going to put the Ballerina to rest for a little bit. But I think she's so cute and so pretty, and I love her so much, and I've been getting so much use out of her, and I have a huge stack of stuff I want to put in my planner. I am going to be setting up a B6 as well, so if you guys want to see a setup of this is going to be, I called it a home planner, and Jessica was like, isn't your EC your home planner? No, like this is going to be like my exercise, menu planning, home, like cleaning, like schedule type planner. And I've been needing something like this for a while, especially for food. So I am going to be setting this up, I think probably later today or tomorrow or something. And that is a B6 coconut. And I've had this for a little, and I had it set up before, but it was just real basic and simple. So if you guys want to see that, let me know. But I hope you guys like this video. Let me know if you want to see that B6 setup, and if you want to keep seeing like a fresh setup and then a like lived in setup, I guess, from me for my pocket. So I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.